Hello, P5 students! Welcome back to our science class with Ms. Ida. And for this week, we are now on Unit 6, Lesson C, What Makes Up the Solar System? Let's get our Science Pupils book and open it on pages 133 to 139 while watching this video. So come on, let's start learning! Our learning outcome is to research the life and discoveries of scientists who explored the solar system and star. To get started, I have here two questions for you. Do you see many twinkle stars on a clear night? Did you know that the sun is a star? Take your time to answer, children, and don't forget to send your answers in the Google Classroom. What makes up the solar system? The solar system refers to the sun and the objects in space that move around the sun. What is the sun? It is a star, and it is a huge ball of hot gases that gives off a lot of heat and light. The sun looks much bigger and brighter than the other stars because it is the nearest star to the Earth. It is so bright, we cannot see the other stars in the day. Why is the sun important to us? The sun provides heat and light energy that living things need to survive. What would happen if the sun were much closer to or further from the Earth? If the sun were closer, it would be too hot on the Earth for living things to survive. The liquid water on the Earth would have evaporated or boiled off, and there would be no liquid water for living things. If the sun were further, it would be too cold on the Earth for living things to survive. The liquid water on Earth would be frozen into ice. The moon. Have you observed a full moon at night? What do you see on the moon? Some people thought that they could see a man or even a rabbit when they looked at the moon. When astronauts landed on the moon in 1969, they did not find living things on it. The moon is a rocky ball about 1/4 the size of the Earth. It is a natural satellite of the Earth and takes 1 month to orbit the Earth once. A satellite is an object that orbits another bigger object in space. The planets and other objects in the solar system. A planet is a very large object that orbits a star in space. The Earth is a planet because it orbits the sun, which is a star. The Earth is not the only planet orbiting the sun. So we have here the other planets, children. We have here the Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. They are the 8 planets that orbit the sun. What other objects orbit the sun? Asteroids and comets also orbit the sun. The sun, planets and their moons, asteroids, comets, and other objects that orbit the sun make up the solar system. Asteroids are irregular-shaped rocks that are smaller than the planets. Most of them are found in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. Look at the picture, children. That's how asteroids look like. Comets are objects made up of ice, dust, and rocks. They form dust tails as they head up when nearing the sun. Look at the picture, children. Tail. What about meteors? They are small objects from space that burn brightly and enter the Earth's atmosphere. They are seen as streaks of light as they fall towards the Earth. They are also known as shooting stars. Are you familiar with that, children? In going further, it says there that planets do not give off light. They reflect light from the sun. Try to spot a few planets from the sky. Some of the planets have moons. You can use a telescope to observe some of their moons. You can see or even see the rings of Saturn with a telescope. Look at the planet Saturn, children. It is really amazing with its rings, right? And that ends our video lesson, children. Thanks for watching. Be ready and be on time to join our science classes. Make sure to answer the questions in the Getting Started. So everyone, stay safe, stay healthy, stay happy. Bye-bye. See you in the next video.